Greetings to you all, my dearest subscribers. You are welcome back. If this is your first time of coming over here, this is your first time of visiting my site. If this is your first time of watching my video, kindly click on subscription button. Give me a thumbs up to promote this our channel. We bring to you a greater opportunities in crypto industry. Okay. We give you updates in various areas. We give you updates in the crypto that are about to do well, the crypto that you have to venture into. So continue to this channel as you are going to get a lot of informations that will liberate your life. So today, I will be taking you through on how you can withdraw your money, how you can withdraw your money to your local bank account using Remitano Pay Gateway. Once you have swapped your Zuga coin, this is swap. Once you have swapped your Zuga coin and you have placed your withdrawal, this is your swap. The first thing, so if this is your first time of coming to this channel and you want to know how to do your swapping, how to fund your Remitano account, how to swap your Zuga wallet, your Zuga coin to USDT. This is the USDT to withdraw in USDT. So this first one is the one you have to swap. So in the description of this video, you will see a link to the video on how to fund your Remitano account and how you can fund your Zuga wallet gas fee. This is the gas fee. This is the first thing you have to do. I have made a video concerning this, how you can fund your Ethereum gas fee here. You will watch it in the description below. Pick on the link on it to watch. So after you have done funding, how you can swap, I have also do a video on how to swap. Okay. Then how to withdraw, I also do a video on how to withdraw. I make these two videos together. So what you just need is to get to the description below, watch them. So if you're done watching it, you can now move with me now on how to withdraw from Remitano. So right now we are going back to Remitano. And before I forgot, if you haven't registered on Remitano before, you will see a link below this description. Click on it to register on Remitano because Remitano is the only gateway for now you can use to withdraw your Zuga coin in USDT. Okay, so once you have placed your withdrawal here and you receive it in your Remitano, you will now sell it off. I will now take you through on how you can do the process and withdraw it to your local bank account. So let's quickly go back to Remitano. You see Remitano is opening. Make sure you use the link below this description to register for your Remitano, okay? Click on the description of this video. Use the link to register on Remitano. Verify your phone number. Verify your phone number. Use your ID card. Especially if you have the card, the original card is good. You can use voter's card to do it. You can use passport to do it. The first step is once you click on verify, you put in your name as it is in your paper, as it is in your card. Put the name there. If it is a voter's card, you will see the long number, both number and alphabet. Put the number there. You move to the next stage where it will ask you to um upload your ID card with buying crypto on remitano.com. You will see your email that you used to register. Then you will see date, and you will see there is one thing you have to note. There is a number that will be below that last option. That number is the main thing. If you miss it, your account will not be verified. So make sure you put in everything as it is. You will see the write up. You will see they will show you example. They will show you a card on a paper. So you have to use your pen and paper to write down the buying of crypto.com, so, and your email that you used to register, date that will be there, and the number. So make sure you put it and upload it. They will verify your account. So once your account is well verified, you can proceed to do bigger packages. But if your account have not been verified, you can still do withdraw, do send money. But you have limitation. Limitation is that you are going to do only 10,000 per day. You can only transfer, you can only send out 10,000 or fund out 10,000. If you do more than that, the process will not go. So let us quickly go to your wallet. So for you to do that, click on wallet. You see wallet here. Click on that three dot here. Then you get to this wallet. Click on the wallet. The wallet will open. Then remember, you can earn Remitano network coin. So you click on N RENEC. So you scroll down. You click start mining. So you can be earning that one. That is the only way you can use to get the coin. Okay. So now, what are we trying to do? We want to withdraw, right? So we want to withdraw. Let's take it that Zuga Coin has deposited this fund for you. This is the money the Zuga Coin have deposited in your Remitano account. Okay, so you want to withdraw this money out. But before you withdraw this money, you have to add your bank account. Okay, you have to add your bank account. So you just need to click on buy up here. You see buy and sell, right? Click on buy and sell. It will open. So assuming your own do not open this, don't worry. Just click on choose coin. If you click on this choose coin, you pick the particular coin you need. You pick it. Let's assume you want to buy other ones, you just pick. Okay, so but the one we are focusing on right now is USDT. The USDT that you have received, we want to know how to work on it. So I want to pick the USDT. So if you pick the USDT, you will see sell and buy. But before you come to this, add your bank account. Note, add your bank account. Click on wallet. If you click on wallet, you click on you see the Naira here. You click on withdraw. So if you click on withdraw, you see add. You say fast withdrawal support. Note this. Anyone with this symbol is telling you that you can receive your withdrawal as fast as possible. They have other means you can use to get your withdrawal, right? But if you click on add new, you select bank. This is what they have for bank. They have Access Bank, First Bank, Guarantee Trust Bank. You have FCMB, you have Zenith Bank, you have Kudo Bank, you have United Bank for Africa. So these are the list of banks they are operating on. So But if you want the fastest way you can receive your money as fast as possible, they have First Bank, they have FCMB, Access Bank. These three banks is what you can use to receive your money as quick as possible. Okay, so you have to click on add any of your bank. You pick it like this way. You put in your account number, you put in your bank name. Once you put in your account number, your bank name will automatically pop up. So you click on create. Okay, I hope you understand it. I have added my own bank, so I don't need to add another one here now. So that is it. So let's go back now. Go to buy and sell, Theta. So we sell. You click on sell. I want to sell my $5. Note this now. Note this. I want to sell. This is the price I'm selling. This is another price. But what are you selling to? I don't want to sell. These are the people you can trade with. You can sell to these people. You can sell to these people. Okay. So, but this first one, you see this first one. You said Vas Limitano NGN wallet. So if you sell this with this first one, with this Remitano here, this one, this person is the one that operating on this one. So this one is with your Remitano wallet, this particular wallet you are seeing now. And this is the time frame. You see 0 seconds. You see this one, 3 minutes, 14 seconds. This one is 5 minutes, 46 seconds. Do you see the difference? If I use this first one, this process will go automatically. I will receive it. But if I use other ones, you will see that it will delay time. You see, there will delay time on sending. This one is even 12 minutes. This one is even 9 minutes, 7 minutes, 5 minutes, 4 minutes. So, but this first one is automatically. So what are we waiting for? We just pick this first one. We pick the first one. If we ask you open trade with this, you say yes. So it's creating now. So you don't need, in this second phase now, you don't need to select bank. Note, you don't need to select bank here. Just click on confirm. So we have done sending it. So let's now go to our back end. Go to wallet. Can you see it in my Nella wallet? Wow. You see the money that I've just sold off now. I sell off my $5 and I've gotten this. So do you see how fast it is? Automatically. So now I want to withdraw. You click on withdraw. This is my. Okay, let me add another bank. So for you to see how to add the bank, I will choose FCMB. We put the account number. You can as well send me some money here, okay, to support the ministry. Any amount, nothing bad. So 2706786018. So it's supposed to locate my name. Supposed to locate my name automatically. But if you don't find it, I can add it manually. Okay, do you see it now? It has added my name there. So if you do the first one, if you don't get it, you just click on the refresh, it will get it for you. So you click on great. So now, for the first time, if you haven't added your authenticator, Google Authenticator, please kindly add your Google Authenticator, because for you to perform any transaction successfully, you need to confirm it. So I have to go to my Google Authenticator to copy the to copy the to copy the code that I will use to finish this adding of my account. Okay, so I have to paste the code, confirm. You see, I have successfully added this my bank account. So now I want to withdraw. I will just select this bank. I will select it. I will click on withdraw. If I click on withdraw, I select the one I want. Do you see? I have selected the FCMB. I click on continue. So now note these ones here. Any amount you have here will be displaying here, and they are not charging you for withdrawal. So if you want to withdraw everything you have, click on maximum. If you want to withdraw some portion, you type in here. Okay, so if you click on maximum, everything you have here will appear here. Okay, so let's do it. Maximum, you see it has appeared. I click confirm. So I click withdraw. So I have to confirm my withdrawal again. So I have copied the code again, and I will click on confirm. So do you see the money have disappeared from my wallet? Wow, this is so amazing. Do you see it? The money has disappeared from the Naira account. This is how you are going to receive your money. Remember the procedure. After you have done swapping, after you have done funding your Zuga wallet, you click on swap. After you have done swapping, if it is on the working day, remember the day you are doing your withdrawal is Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. If you do it apart from this time mentioned, your coin will be vanished. You will miss the coin and you will miss your money. So bear it in mind. 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday to Friday. Note it before you say that you don't know and you have done this and do that. But you can swap. You can swap 24/7. Swapping is 24/7 going. It is only withdraw to this Remitano that is only working on 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. I believe you are following this. I hope this video is getting much longer, so I have to. So let's now see if we have received our payment. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I hope you can see something here. I hope you can see something. Do you see credit alert just now? Did it take any time? I hope you can see something. Do you see it? Date 12 October 10:38. You see our time. So Remitano process, withdraw process. This is it, 2000. You see 2,800. So you have processed this withdrawal and I have received a payment. Okay, so it's not taking any time. So that is how you are going to do what? How you are going to do your withdrawal process. Make sure you click on subscription button if you are a new person here, and make sure you like, give it a thumb up so that you can support the ministry. And if you want to help us to make the ministry to be moving, you can send your support. You can send your support offering to this account you are seeing on the screen. So you can just send anything here and God will bless you the more. So if you like what we are doing here, you can support us with whatever thing you have. So if you want me to do another video for you on this, you can also drop it in the comment section. So remember, if you click on the description button, you will see the links to any of these videos I have made previously. And anything you want me to do more for you, you can also drop it in the comment section. I will get back to you and I will make sure that I do it for you. Okay, I will make sure that I do it for you. So Make sure you like, subscribe, and also share to your friend that will also be interested in getting information like this. Make sure you share to them. Let them also rejoice, okay? Let them also rejoice that they have found information on the cyberspace. Thank you very much for watching, and do have a great day ahead. Bye.